आइफा के साथ शो के साथ बहुत पुराना रिश्ता, लेकिन उससे लंबा और गहरा रिश्ता है आंड्रे विराफ और शहबाज के साथ, बचपन का एक रिश्ता है।
I'm looking forward to all of them. इतने सालों बाद पहली बात तो आइफा हो रहा है वापस, और आइफा इतनी यूनिक अवार्ड शो है जो हमेशा रही है, जहाँ पर वो हमें एक मौका देती हैं हमारे जो बाहर जो हमारे फैंस हैं उनके साथ इंटरेक्ट करने का, अलग अलग सिटीज़ में जाने के लिए। तो या इट्स रियली नाइस टू बी हियर।
मेरी फटी पड़ी है सर, सालों बाद परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा नर्वस हूँ, एक्साइटेड भी हूँ, पर या वी वर्क वेरी हार्ड। आई होप यू गाइस लाइक माय एक्ट।
आपका जो अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट उसके बारे में बता दें, और आपके जो फैन फॉलोइंग के पार्टनर बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो उसके बारे में
मेरी अपकमिंग मूवी गणपत है जो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली क्रिसमस में आने वाली है, सो वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट।
It feels really good after these 2 years of all the suffering we all went through, and nice to see all the colleagues here, and nice to see the glory back again.
But I love Abu Dhabi. I shot here.
Your father is one of the brilliant actors in Bollywood. What was the best advice he gave you when you chose to be an actor?
What was the best advice he gave me? It's a difficult question because everything he says is very wise, and he has more experience than me, and he's one of the finest actors we have in the country. But I remember he once told me that on the big screen, less is more. He said, feel it more than do it.
I think the best advice that he gave me was to have a sense of balance in my life, It was very important to him that I get an education, which I did. And he said that you should do work and you should be ambitious, but you should have a life external to the films, because that's who you will be, and that will be with you forever.
Very excited to be here today. It's been 2 years since we've not had a green carpet, and finally we are on the green carpet. Very excited. Thank you so much.
By the way, IFA also wanted Mohammed Ramadan to come here and to perform today, but obviously he's filming and shooting in Egypt, and so yeah, it was a great collaboration. As you can see, it was a very first kind of a Indian and Middle Eastern collaboration. I would say not Middle Eastern, but MENA region, Middle East, North Africa. So it was really amazing. I think he is truly a superstar, and it was great working with him.
Okay, I think पैंडेमिक के बाद ये पहला बॉलीवुड इवेंट है जो बहुत ही बड़े तरीके से सेलिब्रेट होता है, एंड आफ्टर 2 years ब्रेक इट्स फाइनली कम बैक, and we've all come together for it, so बहुत ही excited and because I'm performing as well.
मुझे भी कैसे लगा?
First favorite memory of Haifa when I saw Amitabh Bachchan in Sunset watching it when I was a kid at house. I was watching it. It was like the best moment. कि ये क्या awards है, ये क्या Bollywood को international लेके गए हैं।
क्या ये गाना ने
I was obsessed with IFA. I still am. I remember if I ever missed watching it on television, I would record it and then watch it later on at night. And I remember when I was really young, I came for the one IFA that they had in Canada, and I was like, one day I pray and I hope I can perform on that stage. मैं बहुत excited हूँ. मैं डेब्यू कैटेगरी के लिए nominated हूँ, तो fingers crossed.